analyzing what, you know what? I don't really think they're analyzing what they're saying. What I think it is, they are parodying. They're not analyzing, if they were analyzing, they would never say no European culture. They're parodying. How in one mouth breath you want to say, they lived in the caves, they didn't know nothing, they thought the wall was flat, and then on the other hand go, we're practicing European culture. They were cavemen. They thought the wall was flat. They were ignorant or get out. We're practicing European culture. See, we ain't got our culture. See, we got to have our own culture. I'm saying they're not analyzing. What are you talking about? Yeah, we taught the Europeans everything they know. We got to have our own culture. We taught the Europeans everything they know. We got to get our own culture. I'm not making this up, y'all. I'm just doing it this way to make I'm not making this up.
I know, man.
You come on down. You know what? You could give me an arm and round on that. I'm not making this up. These are Afrocentric folks, people who claim to study. How are you going to give this European any holidays, calendars, ceremonies, everything? That's yours. He conquered us. You know, European culture doesn't exist.
And the crazy